Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to the random stuff. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the tripod that I bought from AliExpress for rupees 120. So here's the product I'm gonna be reviewing today. This is the tripod. As usual, it took more than 15 days to arrive, but the product is really nice. We can adjust it anywhere, almost on anything. This is for holding the phone right here. I will show you an example. This is how you're gonna be holding the phone in it, and these are the legs of the tripod, which are easily movable. And these legs of the tripod are really good. They fit onto anything, and it can be adjusted on almost everything. Like you can put it on the chair, on the tree, anywhere. You just have to just turn this around. It's really flexible. It does not break, and it gets back in shape in order to just use it as a standing tripod like that. Yeah. So this little thing right here is for adjusting the position of the phone. After adjusting the way you want it, just lock it down by rotating it like this, and you are done. It does not move. It's still and good. And when you want to use it as a stand or something, you can just adjust these legs this way, and it's ready to stand, and it can be adjusted right on the surface like this. It can be adjusted on a plain surface, and you can fit this on anything. I will show you an example. So as you can see here, if you want to record yourself, then you can just hang it on like this and just start recording. So this way you can adjust it on anywhere like this. You just have to fix it so that it doesn't fall, and you're ready to go. You can just place it on anywhere like this and start your recording. It's better than those huge tripods that are available on Amazon for rupees 400 to 500, but that have some different use, like because sometimes you won't have the surfaces to fix this. So in that case you can use that product with long legs, but for small uses, this is really handy. You can also use it like a vlogging camera, like this way. You can just hold it nicely. It will hold your phone. It doesn't fall easily. It will hold your phone nice and tight. So this is the best tripod available. Works fine for me. Well, that's it guys. I hope you found the video helpful. If you do, make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.